Hello, my name is Patrick, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert different page numbers into your Word document. For example, you want certain pages to be in numbers, but certain pages to be in Roman numerals or letters. In this video, I'm going to show you how. To get started, make sure you've actually got page numbers already inserted into your document. To do this, click Insert, click Page Numbers, click Bottom of the page, click Plain Number 2, and then click Close Header and Footer if this opens up. Now, in order to tell the Word document that you want additional pages that have additional page numbering types and styles, we first got to insert sections. And to kind of explore that a little bit more, I'm first going to show you what would happen if I just entered and a new page opened up. You'll notice it's page 1 and it's page 2. We want the second page here to be, for example, a letter. To do this, we need to go to Layout, and we're going to click on Breaks, and we're going to click Next Page. And a brand new page will open up. Not a problem. Now we're going to double click the header. We're going to go to Link to Previous. This will unselect it. That's very important because it tells the Word document this is a new section. I know it's worked because it now says section 2. In order to achieve that different format of page number, go up to the ribbon, click Page Numbers, click Format Page Numbers, select the downward arrow next to Number Format, select the style you want. I'm going to use capital letters. Select that once. Now, this section is really important and where people can make mistakes. I want this new section to start at A. We've got to tell the Word document this. We can do this by clicking Start At and an A will appear. If you want this section to start with B, then just leave it as default. I don't want that. Select A, click OK. Then you need to make sure to close header and footer. Now we've got two sections. To make sure that you've definitely done this right, click View, and then we're going to click on Navigation Pane. And now we've got pages 1 and A. So I'm going to go to my page 1. I'm going to enter a new page. And now you'll notice that page 2 has appeared. Let's double check it works on A. I'm going to enter a new page. And now I've got page B. This now determines that I've clearly got one section, which is for my numbers, and a second section for my letters. If you wanted to, you could also insert a third style. To do this, it's the same procedure as before. Click Layout, click Breaks, click Next Page. And now we need to go to where that starts, which is here, and double click the header, click Link to Previous, Page Numbers, Format Page Numbers. And this time I'm going to select Roman numerals, start at I, and there you go. I've got my page numbers in typical numeric form, my letters, and my Roman numerals. So if this video helped you guys, please leave me a like. It really does help me with the algorithm. If you want to suggest any future videos that I do, type it in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and to share. See you next time.